Okay, my name is I. Ravisankar, working as a junior lecturer in construction technology vocational course, Government Junior College, Avanigadda. We have to talk about the inspection and quality control. This is very important for any work. What is the inspection? Inspection is the art of comparing the materials and performance products with laid down standards, and the work is progress in the form of standards or not. We have to inspect the works and check the standards of that works. Inspection is the art of, this is very important for any construction industry. It is the art of comparing materials, comparing the materials performance, the material performance with laid down standards. The work is progress is in the form of standards or not. We have to inspect the work and check that work with the laid down standards. The inspection can be done before the work. You have to check the materials, like cement, bricks, sand, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, and steel, and machinery. All are to be inspected first. These are all in working condition. Then you have to work to be start. If there is a concrete is laid, in that reinforcement, we have to not know about this reinforcement, because we have to inspect that work before laid down. In the case of earthwork excavation, inside the work, we have to inspect first. We have to see the soil bearing capacity of soil, and what are the loads coming, designs and drawings we have to first study. Inspection of work improves the quality of control of the work. The quality of the work depends upon the inspection regularly done by the department or any other persons. Inspect the inspection alerts the workers or working progress, because important function. This is the important function in construction management. It is the important function of management in quality control of construction. Quality control of construction. Quality of work is in according with the prescribed specifications. The quality of work depends upon the prescribed and standard specifications. These specifications are done by the contractor. He is just inspected by the quality department and rectify that problems. This can be carried out by inspection of the work in progress through the various stages. Various stages you have to inspect the work. Various stages we have to inspect the work. Just at the present days, the quality control is not functioning with regularly. After work is over, they are inspected and taking measurements and other work. It is not the correct way. Inspection is done in the form of the work is progress before the work and in the work or after the work. The inspection can be divided into before work, running work, after work. This can be regularly inspect the work. The quality of the work is improved. The various objectives of the inspection inspection of what are the various objectives of inspection. Objectives. Inspection objectives. To improve the quality of work, to improve the quality of work, and to increase the lifespan of the structure, of durability and stability, to increase the lifespan of structure, durability, stability of the structure and stability of the structure. Next, to use the all available resources in economical way, all the resources into economical output. To all available resources into economical output, Next, to reduce the unnecessary repairs and maintenance. To reduce the unnecessary repairs and maintenance of the works. To reduce unnecessary repairs. Repairs and maintenance. Unnecessary repairs and maintenance. The methods of quality control. What are the objectives? These are the various objectives of inspection regularly done by the department to improve the quality of work, to increase the lifespan of durability and stability of the structure, to all available resources in the economical output, to reduce the unnecessary repairs and maintenance of the work. Now, what are the functions of the inspection? Inspection functions. What are the functions? First, you have to inspect the subsoil. Inspection of subsoil. This is mainly important of the first subsoil. You have to check the bearing capacity of soil. So next, inspection of material. Inspection of material. In material, sources of supply and construction site. Source of supply and construction site. The contractor take leanness to show the in the source of material one type, in the construction site the another material is taken. There can be misused the materials. Inspection of equipment. This is under working condition. There is unnecessary maintenance or repair work to be avoided. Inspection of work at each stage. Inspection of work at each stage. This is the main functions of the inspection. First, in the inspection of subsoil, we have to show the bearing capacity of the soil. In the inspection of material, before they are used, field laboratory tests or another laboratory tests to be conducted. In the inspection of equipment, supply of equipment must be inspected before the work and to ensure that the equipment is kept service condition. Inspection of work at each stage. Inspection must be inspect the work before the contractor proceeds with the next stage. Inspection are necessary the earthwork excavation has completed. Before all ground work is in progress. Steel form work and reinforcement work are to be inspected is important. What are the principles of inspection? What are the principles of inspection? Principles of inspection. What are the principles of inspection? Principles of inspection. Control over materials and equipment. What? Control over materials and equipment. Over materials and equipment. These are the principles of inspection. Planning of inspection operations. Planning of inspection operations. Planning of inspection operations. Planning of inspection operations. Prompt inspection. This is very important. Prompt inspection. Checked regularly. Prompt inspection done to be by the quality control. Next, another is necessary degree of quality control. Organizing the inspection. Next, organizing the inspection. Organizing the inspection. Next, decision about borderline cases. Decision about borderline cases. Borderline cases. These are the all use of inspection recovery. These are all the principles of inspection. The next, what are the major items of quality control? What are the various major items of quality control? Main is the concrete. What are the major items? Major items. Concrete is the major item in the construction work. This is the major items. These are major items of quality control. Major items of quality control. This is one is concrete. This is the main major important. Another is steel. Third is formwork. Next is masonry. Fourth is masonry. Next is waterproofing. This is the DPC or joinery and timber work services. Joinery and timber work. Next is 7 services. It may be services are electrical, sanitary, water supply, sanitary, water supply. These are all various services involved in the inspection. Concrete is usually specified as a nominal mixer, but for large and important works controlled by the specified. Adequate control should be in the concrete work: mixing, placing, compacting and curing. This is a very important quality of materials used for the concrete. Quality of materials used in the every stage of the concrete work. Nominal mixed and mixing, placing, transporting and compacting, curing, all are in the concrete work. Minimum quantity of water that given the specified slump to be given. Minimum quantity of water used give the minimum specified slump as checked by the slump test. The time between the mixing of water and final compaction should be within the initial setting time. Initial setting time is starting 30 minutes. We have to within the initial setting time the concrete to be placed. Concrete should be placed carefully to avoid segregation. You have to pour the concrete in the certain height. The concrete segregation may be started. This aggregate may be separated and mixer is separated. There is a problem with the concrete, or they will show the excess water. You have to bleeding that concrete in the mortar. Curing should be carried out for the full period of the prescribed. Particularly in the we have to curing is very important for concrete works. It may be any work. This is very important. In the present days, this can be neglected by the all people. They only have to done only put the concrete. There is a curing is not done properly or not done regularly. There is a effect on the work. This is very curing is very important for any work or project. Steel. The structure of steel. Steel work is necessary to see that there is a minimum wastage, bars and storage is important for steel. There is a rusting can be formed in the store. They can be stored in the storerooms. Form work. Form work must be strong. It can be designed based on the concrete, like concrete, and on persons, workers, and vibrators, and placement or reinforcement. These all are coming load to the formwork. The formwork can be designed carefully for the coming loads on the slab, or it may be anywhere, any type. Masonry. Bricks are used standard. Masonry bricks should be standard size bricks, copper red color, edges are regular, there is no holes or voids in the brick, there is no excess water to be absorbed. Use standard size bricks. There you have to test the field test of bricks. And there is a nail scratching, hardness and toughness, they can be used. Quality bricks to be used. Waterproofing. Waterproofing is also needs to quality controlled DPC dam proof course to be applied. There is no water leakage or any problem not arise due to the using of the dam proof course. Proofing the joinery and timber work. The quality of timber used and workmanship, importance of the quality control. Services are various services, electrical, sanitary and water supply. These are all the services comes under this major items of quality control. There can be technical services are required for the quality inspection. Technical services. If the work is a major work, this is a major project. We have to install these services. Technical services required for inspection. Technical services required for inspection. Technical services are required for inspection. Technical services are required. Technical services are required for inspection. One is engineer is a engineer or designer. Engineer, designer or architect or geologist. Next is supervisors. Next, third one is scientist. Next, fourth one is field laboratories. And field laboratories and base laboratories. Field laboratories is for a field test. Base laboratories for main detailed tests are to be done for this laboratories. Detailed tests. Next, The geological inspection, the basic laboratories, we have to in the basic laboratories, geological examination. Geological examination is the subsoil exploration, bearing capacity of soil, bearing capacity of soil, or subsoil exploration, or comes under the geological examination. Meteorologist, another is a meteorologist. Climatic condition of the locality. This can comes under the climatic conditions of the, check the climatic conditions of locality. Climatic conditions of locality. Climatic conditions of locality, meteorologist. And design engineer, check the design of structure. Design engineer. Check design of structure. Next, surveyor, layout check. For engineer in charge, time to time inspection. For engineer in charge, time to time inspection. Last is architect as per approved drawings. Architect is the architect as per approved drawings. This is a major project. Technical services are required for the inspection. These are first engineer, designer, architect, geologist, and supervisor, scientist, field laboratory, and base laboratory. Field laboratory done in the field test to be done. In the case of base laboratory, we have to done in detail test to be done in the laboratory. What are the various stages of inspection? Various stages of inspection. What are the various stages of inspection? First, materials are inspected. Materials are inspected. At the place of supply and check against the ensure the supply. At the place of supply, inspected at the place of supply. At the place of materials are inspected at the place of supply and check against to ensure the supply and ensure the supply Next, another is using the material in any operation. The material must be checked. Using the material in any operation, using the material in any operation, the material must be checked. Must be checked. Equipment and machinery checked at the source of supply and the competent persons. Next, this is the equipment and machinery check. Equipment and machinery check at the source of supply. And the source of supply by the competent persons. competent persons. Next, tools to be used for construction work should be inspected before and after the use. Fourth is tools to be used for construction, should be inspected before and after use. The number of inspections should be adequate. Main important is the number of inspections to be adequate. The number of inspections to be adequate. These are the main stages of inspection. Various stages of inspection. First, to check the materials inspected at the place of supply and ensure the supply. Next, using the material in any operation, the material must be checked. Equipment and machinery by the competent persons. This is the well-known persons about the equipment and machinery. Tools to be used for construction should be inspected before and after use. This is also very important. The main important is the number of inspections to be adequate to be done by the inspection. This is about the inspection and quality control. Just a summary about the what is the summary about the inspection. You have to study. This is the summary. First, definition. We have to the definition. Next, objectives. Inspection summary. Summary topic. Inspection topic summary. This is the definition. Objectives. Next, functions. Next, third, principles. Next, 5 stages. Next, 6th is major items of quality control. Major items of quality control. Construction stages. This is the main topics covered by the quality control, inspection and quality control stages. Next is methods of quality control. Methods of quality control. Next is methods of quality control. Next is another last is the technical services required for inspection. Next is the technical services required for inspection. These are covered in the inspection topic. Inspection is to be done before the work, where if in the slab or in the CC road or any concrete work, before the concrete is placed to be inspected, the reinforcement may be checked. The cover is correct or not, or other formwork is correct or not. You have to check the concrete is laid before the slab or roof slab or any. In the case of the earthwork excavation we have to place in the concrete in the form of the piles or the footings. We have to check the reinforcement is in the as per the design or not, or the steel bars are used within the specified dimensions or not, or you have to check the with these drawings and designs. We have to first inspect. This is the very important for any major projects. Or a small project is also very important for small residential purposes. First, we have to briefly this topic is inspection and this is the inspection and quality control. In the construction work, what are the various inspecting stages? What are the sampling, examination, field testing, all materials, measurement and proportion of materials, layout, formwork, foundation, and in the laboratory specimens, construction equipment and various labor skills to be inspected. These are the various topics covered by me in the inspection and quality control topic. This inspection topic summary, I have to explain briefly about this. Definitions, objectives, functions, principles, stages and major items of quality control, methods of quality control and technical services required for inspection. These are our briefly we have to revision about this topics. Definition: inspection is the art of comparing the materials performance and with laid down standards. అంటే స్టాండర్డ్స్ ప్రకారం వర్క్ పరిశీలించి క్వాలిటీని ఇంప్రూవ్ చేయడానికి చెక్ చేసేదాన్ని ఇన్స్పెక్షన్ అంటాం. ఇన్స్పెక్షన్ ఈజ్ ద ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ మేనేజ్మెంట్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇన్స్పెక్షన్ ఈజ్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ది మేనేజ్మెంట్ క్వాలిటీ కంట్రోల్ ఆఫ్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్. What are the various objectives? Involved in the inspection is to improve the quality of work, to increase the lifespan of durability and stability of the structure. Frequently, we have to inspect that work, the contractor or worker to alert and go properly do the work. This is the importance of inspection. To improve the quality of work and to increase the lifespan of the and durability and stability of the structure, all available resources economical output, to reduce the unnecessary repairs and maintenance. This is the main objectives of inspection. Next is, what are the functions of inspection? Inspection of the subsoil is the very important. Subsoil testing is very important. Inspection of materials, used materials to be cement, coarse aggregate, fine aggregate and steel, all are the materials to be inspected. Inspection of equipment, properly working or not. During of the work, the machinery may be problem, the work may be suffered and not to reach the target because of the problematic machinery you have to use. First of all, we have to check the machinery before using the work. And inspection of works at every stage. You have to inspect the work at each stage. You have to inspect the work may be in good manner and it gives the quality also. What are the principles involved? Control over materials and equipment, planning of inspection operations and prompt inspection, necessary degree of quality control, organizing the inspection. These are the various principles involved in the inspection. What are the various stages? What are the various stages in the inspection stages? First, have to check the inspect the materials used for the work and supply at the source and supply at the site and source. Site and source have to inspect about the materials. Using the material in any operation, material must be checked. Next is equipment and machinery have to check at the each stage. Tools to be used and after, you have to check the materials Is there any problem created by the working of the material, their life may be over, or there may be damage in the tools, the work may be affected. Because of tools in the starting and after the work, we have to check the tools is very important. The number of inspections should be adequate. This is the various stages of inspection to be done. The major items of quality control, these the main important is concrete, steel, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, and electrical and services, water supply, sanitary, and these are all comes under the major items of the formwork, comes under this quality control. So the what are the various methods of quality control? What are the various methods involved in the quality control? And what are the technical services required for inspection is to engineer, designer, architecture, geologist, supervisors, scientists, and technicians, field laboratory and base laboratory. These are all to be installed in the site for a major project. This is about the instructional summary.